Hello, can you see and hear me?
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you
How
for
are you?
calling. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. My name is
That's
Sahiba.
great. It's
What's
you, Sahiba. I'm Becca.
Wow, lovely name.
Thank you so much. So,
I'm
what
from
have you?
India. Where are you
Excellent.
from?
I'm from Manchester in the west of England.
Okay. Wow.
Most people know us for the football teams, let's be honest.
Oh, it's famous.
There are two football teams in my city that are quite popular. I think they are quite good, but I am not a big football fan, so I ignore it.
Oh,
And what is your city like?
means and speak again.
So, what is your city like?
City like means
Could you describe the place where you live?
yes. Oh, I see. I am from India. Right now, I am living in Jammu and Kashmir.
Mhm.
Yes. So Kashmir is a very beautiful place in the all of India. So it's a lot of nature in Kashmir and a lot of animals, trees, mountains, all greenery, a lot of fruits. Yes.
That's wonderful. And tourists like to visit Kashmir?
Yes. A lot of tourists in America, mm, other countries. Yes,
That's excellent.
they all tourists come in summer vacation, I think. Yes,
Yeah, that's possible, especially if they are traveling very far and they need time to travel. It makes sense.
yeah.
And in your opinion, what time of the year is the most beautiful in your area?
Sorry.
So, what time of year is the best time to visit Kashmir in your opinion? When is it the most beautiful?
All Kashmir, actually two part, Jammu and Kashmir.
Mhm.
It's two part, and right now I am living in Jammu, not living
Jammu
in
is in the
Kashmir.
south, right?
So yes,
Mhm.
two parts and northern part.
Great.
Yes. So I don't know so much about Kashmir. Yeah, one place. It's one of a lake. A lake name is um, Dal Lake. It's very famous. Yes, a lot of people go there. Yes.
That's excellent. And is Jammu your hometown?
Sorry.
So is this your hometown? Were you born in this
Yes.
area?
Yes.
So lucky. It sounds like a beautiful place to live.
Yeah. Also. So, have you ever been visiting India?
I have not. My health is not very good, so
Oh,
I find it difficult to travel long distances. But I'm
okay.
trying to get healthy, get strong, and
Yeah.
then I would love to visit.
Okay. And have you ever been visited to other country before?
At the moment, I live in Spain,
Okay.
so I have traveled around Spain, and I
Mm-hmm.
have visited Portugal a couple of times because it is very close. But I have not visited a lot of places, mostly other cities in England and other cities in Spain.
Okay. So right now you are living in USA?
In Spain,
Spain.
Spain.
Spain. Okay. So you are originally in from Spain?
My father was originally from Spain. My mother is from England. So I
Okay.
speak Spanish because my father spoke Spanish.
Okay. So you are married?
Not yet, in a few months.
Okay. Okay.
And you? Are you married
No.
yet?
No, no. I am right now I'm in 17 years old. I will get married 27 years in 27. Yeah.
Very good. So that's
Yes.
lovely. And have you traveled to the UK or have you traveled to any other countries?
Not any other countries, but in India I have traveled uh, 3 or 4 states, maybe some states. Yes.
That's great. And what area did you enjoy the most?
In Rajasthan, it's very beautiful place. There, there is a lot of lakes and a zoo.
Mhm.
Yes, and a lot of parks. And yes, that's all.
No, that sounds fantastic.
Yeah.
The area where I am from has got a lot of trees.
Mm-hmm.
We are close, but we do not have many animals except for in zoos, of course.
Oh,
So it is quite a safe area, but it is not as impressive as it was in the past.
okay. So, how is the Spanish? Oh my God. Yes, Spanish.
Yes. So Spanish people are nice, to be honest.
Oh.
They are good friends.
Mm-hmm.
If you need any favors or if you have any trouble, they will immediately help you.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, you have to help them too if they need it
Oh,
later on. And
how is?
they are very very sociable. Spanish people like to meet outside. They don't like to go to somebody's house and have tea. They want to go out and walk and be
Okay.
crazy.
So, how's your neighbor?
My neighbor is a lovely married couple in
Uh-huh.
their 70s who they are very sweet. They are very kind. Their TV is very loud.
Oh.
But they're so lovely.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes the neighbors are like, "Hey, I bought this new plant. Here is a small plant, a baby plant for you." And it's like, okay, thank you. Do you want some tea or a coffee? No, no, no. I'm okay. I'm okay. Just here's a plant.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
A little bit unexpected, but very
Mm-hmm.
nice.
Okay. So you are
Well,
living in apartment right now?
yes, we live in a three-story apartment block. We
Okay,
live
three
on
stories.
the second floor.
Seconds. Okay. Okay, it's nice to meet you.
Like, great
Yes,
day. Thank you for calling,
yes.
Sahiba. Bye bye.
Bye, welcome.